Pump.fun is a cryptocurrency launchpad on the Solana blockchain that enables users to create and trade tokens, particularly meme coins. To potentially earn money on Pump.fun, consider the following strategies. Create and launch tokens. Token creation. Utilize Pump.fun's platform to design and deploy your own tokens. By uploading an image and selecting a name and ticker, you can create a token for a nominal fee of less than $2. Promotion. Effectively market your token to attract investors. Successful promotion can lead to increased demand and value. Graduation. If your token achieves a market capitalization of $90,000, it can graduate to decentralized exchanges like Radium, potentially enhancing liquidity and trading opportunities. Trade existing tokens. Market analysis. Research and identify undervalued tokens with growth potential. Engaging in technical analysis and staying informed about market trends can aid in making informed trading decisions. Risk management. Implement strategies to mitigate potential losses, such as getting stop-loss orders and diversifying your portfolio. Utilize automated trading tools. Sniper bots. Develop or employ automated bots to execute trades rapidly, capitalizing on market opportunities that require swift action.